In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or delink third-party account managers from your AdSense account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you had associated any account such as Ezoic on your AdSense account and you wish to remove this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. First, you need to log into your AdSense account and then go to account here, and you can see we have a settings gear. So if I tap on it, now we have this option for access and authorization. Click on it and then scroll down to third parties. Here you will see all third party platforms that you associated with your AdSense account. With this on, it means you will always share revenue from your platform. So if you no longer want this partnership, you can now remove them by just clicking on remove manager from account. As you can see, here are my third parties and platforms, and Ezoic is one of them, and I wish to remove this. So to do so, just click on remove and then confirm by clicking on remove here. You are told by doing this will stop your manager from accessing your account and sharing some of your revenue. And you have to note that this decision cannot be undone. If you're okay, now you can confirm by just clicking on confirm here. So that's how you can remove third-party platforms from your AdSense account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.